Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. Today, we're going to learn how to reset the Nanoleaf Skylight. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or preparing to sell your device, resetting can solve many problems. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Power off. First, ensure your Nanoleaf Skylight is powered off. If it's connected to a power source, unplug it. Step 2. Locate the control button. Find the control button on your Nanoleaf Skylight. It's usually located near the power connector or on the controller module. Step 3. Press and hold. Press and hold the control button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the light will start flashing different colors. This indicates that the reset process has begun. Step 4. Release and power on. After holding the button, release it. Now, plug your Nanoleaf Skylight back into the power source. Step 5. Wait for reset. Allow the Nanoleaf Skylight a few moments to reset. During this time, it will go through a startup sequence, indicating it's ready for setup. Step 6. Set up again. If needed, follow the initial setup instructions to reconnect your Nanoleaf Skylight to your Wi-Fi network or control system. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your Nanoleaf Skylight is straightforward and can resolve many issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.